Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get this entire look. The tutorial part is only on the eyes, but I do show you my full face. You guys have seen me do my face so many different times, so I'm just going to leave all of the products that I use down below in the description box. And the palette that I use to get this eye is once again this Maybelline City Mini palette in the shade or in High Rise Sunset. And I used the yellow shade this time, the brown, the red, and the orange. I still have yet to apply this. It's kind of like a peachy color. I haven't figured out how to use that yet, but I also use this white for my brow bone highlight. Now you guys know how I feel about Maybelline palettes. I've done a lot of looks using these little City Mini palettes, and some of them have been misses, but like I've said in a video before, because I believe I've already done a tutorial using this palette, this one is a hit. If you are looking for a neutral palette that is very inexpensive, definitely pick this up. I'll leave the price of this palette up here on the screen. Perfect, very beginner friendly, and you could do really pretty spring looks with this. And then if you're curious what is on my lip, I'm using the oldie but goodie Touch of Spice. This is also from Maybelline. And then on top of it, I went in with the Dose of Colors lip topper in over the top just to incorporate some of the gold that I'm wearing on my lids and on my cheeks. Anyway, guys, if you want to know how to get this entire look, then keep on watching. So I'm first going in with this yellow shade, and I'm going to be using this as my transition color above my crease. Now you do have to build these shades up in this palette, but I kind of like eyeshadows that are not super pigmented when you first apply them, because if they are, then you have to worry about blending them out. So I do like that with this eyeshadow you're able to build them up and, you know, get the intensity that you want. Next I'm going in with this orange shade, and I'm applying that to my crease. Now this is not a very defined look. I'm kind of just like mixing all these colors, but obviously you can see distinct layers of where the orange is versus where the yellow is, but I'm not making any one shadow very pigmented. And then I'm applying this white shade to my brow bone, and that is also helping blend out that yellow some more. Next I'm going in with this brown, and I'm applying it directly into my crease, and I'm also going to use it to deepen my outer corner. Now for the lid, I'm using the Stila Glitter and Glow, and I believe this is in the shade Golden Girl. I'm kind of obsessed with this glitter. Stila, I think, makes the best glitters. And I'm applying that on my lid. I did not apply any kind of glitter glue or anything. That's how awesome these shadows are. And then I'm going to go back in with that brown shade and deepen up that outer corner a little bit more. For my bottom lash line, I'm using an Ulta Beauty Gel Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Plum. And I'm just putting that on my lower waterline, and I also use this in between my lashes. To set that, I'm going to be going in with the reddish brown from the palette, and I'm just going to pat that right over the eyeliner. And then to complete the look, I'm going in with this orange and the yellow again to blend out that reddish brown color. Once again, not making one color more pigmented to the other. This is just a very blown out, pretty look with a pop of color on the lower lash line. And that's pretty much the look. I, of course, added bottom lash mascara, but I decided not to include my face routine in this video because when I looked back on the footage, it was kind of crappy, so I didn't want to show you guys crap. So I just decided to turn this into a eye tutorial. And that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me, and I hope to see you in the next one.